One humongous meal later. The next day.
So we just finished eating at LUT at Berkeley. It's a French cuisine breakfast place. Good food.
There was honestly a lot more people than I expected. Very classy interior.
So what'd you get?
So I think it's like south side omelet, sunny side up eggs with sausage.
So I got
North.
Yeah, called Nord. So like that. Think of it as like an eggs Benedict. So instead of hollandaise, you have cream cheese, and instead of like poached egg, you have scrambled egg. The
cream really good.
Yeah, it's really good. The cream cheese actually like really complements and like it adds texture and flavor to the eggs.
Creaminess.
Yeah, it's so creamy. It's so nice. And they also have like a roasted tomato that's like, I think it's roasted like nicely and it's fragrant, it's flavorful. I think it's really adds a nice touch to the dish.
I mean, they literally drop an entire clove of garlic into my plate.
Yeah, same. I think the way they do the potato is they saute it with garlic cloves, which I do not eat because I do not eat like garlic cloves as a whole.
No, not at all. No. You can make like garlic paste by like deep marinating or like roasting it, and then you can mush it up to like a garlic paste. That's one that I have yet to try. That's the only time I'll eat like a bunch of garlic like that.
I'll give it 7 out of 10.
7-ish. That sounds like mine too.
Oh yeah.
1 hour later.
Hi, so we're at Japantown right now in SF. I mean, we're just exploring, enjoy the Japanese experience. You can see there's like the big pagoda. Often they have like people like performing on that area there. It's kind of like a mini stage. Just not today because of the rain. So this is like the mall area. Well, it's connected. It's like we have the East Mall and the West Mall. So on the West Mall, it's like where all the restaurants are.
Then the east side, there's, if I remember correctly, they have the custom soft serve ice cream. So I think one time they have like taro or like yam and other flavor in there. And also Daiso, all the little knickknacks.
Oh yeah, I love Daiso.
I love Daiso so much. They have so many good stuff.
And super cheap too.
There's also the conveyor belt sushi. You can always pay extra money for that.
Oh yeah, that as well.
So I went to Nadaya one time for the bento. It was pretty cheap and pretty decent.
We also have like Japanese bakery over here. Some nice breads.
Beyond curry pie.
Ooh. We just ate, unfortunately.
There's a Japanese bookstore at the end of the west side.
We're at Uji Time Dessert and we're getting some soft serves. They have pretty like interesting flavors. They have tofu, which I've never seen before, and it's apparently also non-dairy. I would expect it to be kind of like soy flavory. So yeah, I'm gonna try that. So what's interesting is like you can smell the tofu. Fish. It's basically like soy milk based. It tastes like soy milk, so it's about what I expect. So not really surprising, but it's decent. I like it.
What do you get?
A mochi taiyaki ube ice cream. I like ube. It's purple. Yep. I don't know. It's supposed to be soft and like a mochi inside on this one, but I can't really tell until I eat to the bottom. So who knows? We'll see.
Very nice patterns, and you can use like this for many things. And one interesting thing, you can use this as to wrap gift. Like in Japanese culture, you like when you give someone something, you wrap it in a cloth like this. They call it furoshiki. It's beautiful packaging with a little handle. It's so premium.
At the
wingtips.
Oh,
It's a single sheet of paper, and it's all still a single sheet of paper.
that is insane.
Yeah, can you imagine? I would probably do like 800, 900, and then
And screw it up.
yeah.
Same. I was screwed up at like 10.
They have Daiso here. I love Daiso so much. Oh, that's cute. You can walk and clean the floor. Convenient. More stationaries. It's erasable. It's fashionable.
Are you gonna buy it?
No.
Do you need to use your phone while you're in the shower? You can have a wall mount for it. You can either put it horizontal or vertically. It's waterproof.
I hope it's waterproof. What if your mobile phone holder was not waterproof? What would happen then?
You can call them. Call Daiso. It's not my problem. I'm not paid to do this advertisement.
I want chopsticks. How many chopsticks do you want? I want all of them. That's one long pair of chopsticks.
It's only 17 inches. Only 17 inches.
Or you can steal food from other people.
Yes. Yes. Go to a restaurant. Oh, your food looks good. Let me just take a whip on my sleeve. This is an 8 timer apparently. I guess you put it into the boiling water with your eggs so you can, depending on the color, you can tell if it's soft boiled, medium, or hard boiled. That's pretty cool. Because I can never tell. I'm bad with the timer. I'm bad with the times. Wait, I've seen raincoat. I've never seen rain pants. Rain trouser? Amazing.
Yo, cooling mini bath towel. Oh, just bring these around.
It's 300 yen. It better be $3.
It's definitely not $3. If there's there's a price sheet right here. If it's like 300 yen, it is actually 425. I'm sure if you just gave it to them in yen, they'll totally accept it and then laugh at your face.
Joke's on them. I don't actually have yen with me.
Later.
Why are you buying sticks?
Because, okay, so we're hosting a takoyaki party at FC this weekend. So we're going to use this and give it to people to, you know, eat their balls. I love balls. You like balls?
Absolutely.
Nice balls. The plan is to get the octopus, slice it and cook it, and then store it in like a, in a fridge or in a freezer. 4 days in a fridge or refrigerator, it should be fine.
$50 or $46. Yeah, I'll definitely keep the bottle for this one.
Just gonna go into the ball, hands, octopus ball.
Later that night.
Right, so the things that interest me here are the corn cheese, which is always interesting. There's a steamed egg. The steamed egg, I love steamed egg. The kimchi fried rice, I had this for lunch. Actual food, I mean, I guess they have fried chicken. How about short rib? How about an army stew?
Army stew is the worst thing. It's
Really?
so bad. Why would you eat spam? There are so many good ingredients in this world. Ow. And like you take the thing that the fucking Americans brought to Korea
Melon has
and
hot takes.
polluted their stews with. It's so bad. So
That's
fucking-
great.
Oh my gosh, should we get pork feet? It's actually pretty good. Oh, kimchi pancake's good, but it's not like a main dish. I'll just go bibimbap. It's been so long.
yeah.
It's been so long.
Bibimbap?
Yeah.
I can't believe you're a basic bitch. I can't believe Melon's basic.
Says the one who wants to get army stew, huh?
Okay, that's true. I mean, I didn't say I want army stew. I want the short rib sounds.
I'm home. I'm home. Look at this soju. This is not
Nice
soju.
soju, bro. So what soju you're gonna get?
The best one. There are 2 good choices, but mango is the best one. I went last year. It was great. We ate this non-soju, supposedly soju thing.
It's soju. It's soju cocktail.
It's like they made this taste like juice meme actually real. I'm disappointed. I'm so disappointed.
There were plain soju in the bottom, and there was soju cocktail.
Damn, I should have got the bottom. Spicy stuff and some less spicy stuff, and egg. Most importantly, apparently.
You do that.
Planning thing, right? That's how it works. I'm a videographer. I know this shit.
Okay, the thing about army stew is like it's such a simple dish that it's like a safe dish. It's hard to mess up. it's like a safe choice. It's like a comfort dish. So okay, I'm not gonna defend my army stew because I know that it's not meant to be the greatest thing ever. It's meant to be a comfort food. So that's all I'm gonna say.
The next day.
Hi. So we just finished eating from Great China at Berkeley. What'd you get?
I got a twice cooked pork. It's a lunch special
What's
at
special?
Great China.
How
I've never been there before, so it was pretty good.
How special is this?
How special is it?
Yeah.
It's alright. It's not crazy.
It's not
Like,
crazy?
it's like a good meal. I already ate a bit before this, so like I was already kind of full, but it was pretty good.
So I got combination fried rice with chicken, beef, and shrimp because I like meat.
Yeah, you guys, two of you got the twice pork, and I had to get something else because I want a third one in there.
I mean, you're
Alu. So what do you get?
Apple tofu.
How is it?
It was very numbing.
Very
Not
numbing.
that spicy, not that spicy, but very numbing.
Okay, so just like me. I'm very numb. We're going back to my apartment to pack up for FC. Woohoo! Are you ready for FC?
Fuck no, dude.
No, definitely
Are you ready for FC?
no.
Are you ready for FC?
No.
We are. None of us are ready for FC.
Later that night.
Camera?
It's me, Zashi. Somehow gathered this many animals here. We have a yote running around, causing mayhem. I don't know how many people are here, but we're gonna do a group photo in like 5 minutes. Somehow we're here. We made it.